Welcome to Mqlrobot EAS. In this video, we'll walk you through the architecture of the Edit and Trades EA, built using FXdreema. This EA allows manual trade execution with buttons on the chart and provides input fields to adjust lot size, stop loss, and take profit dynamically, without needing to touch the MetaTrader terminal directly. Let's explore how it's structured and what's happening under the hood. Part 1. On Init. Setup. Interface. When the EA is loaded on the chart, the Init event draws the user interface. Buttons: Open Buy, Open Sell, Close Buy, Close Sell, and Close All. Input. Fields: for lot size, stop loss, SL, and take profit, TP. Visual labels to clarify each field. These elements are drawn using Draw Button and Draw Edit field blocks. Each component has a unique name so that the system can reference them later, especially when users interact with them via clicks or inputs. This gives the trader an interactive control panel on the chart itself. Part 2, On Chart. User interactions. In the On Chart event, the EA listens for mouse actions. Here's the breakdown. Buy-sell actions. When a user clicks the Open Buy or Open Sell button, the EA reads current values from the lot size, SL, and TP fields. It opens a market order accordingly with those parameters. Edit fields. If the user modifies the lot size, SL, or TP input fields, the EA stores those values into internal variables. These variables are used in every future trade opened by the buttons. Closing trades, clicking. Close Buy, Close Sell, or Close All triggers actions to close all orders in that category. These use Close Trades blocks with filters applied to direction, buy or sell. Everything is modular, so each action is traceable and easy to modify or expand later. Part 3. Logic Overview. This EA is structured with simplicity and modularity in mind. Each user interaction triggers a direct response. Button click, trading action, field edit, variable update. There's no signal logic or strategy decision-making built in. This EA assumes you're making trade decisions manually and want a quick interface to execute or exit trades on the fly. This is perfect for manual scalping, strategy testing, fast market reactions. Because the logic is split clearly across events, init, chart, it's very readable and ideal for beginners. Learning EA structure on FXdreema. Part 4. Final notes. Backtesting and risk. Although this EA is simple, always treat it seriously. Before using it on a live account, make sure you understand your manual strategy. Backtest the EA using 99.9%. Tick data to confirm execution logic. Consider broker execution delay, slippage, and margin impact. Test different lot sizes, SL, and TP values in demo environments. This EA won't make trading decisions for you, but it helps execute your plan efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Mqlrobot EAS for more walkthroughs, technical builds, and EA blueprints. Feel free to comment or suggest what EA you'd like us to break down next. Happy trading and code wisely.